What's up guys, today I will talk about how you can install Jenkins into your computer. Jenkins is a continuous integration tool. If you go for or if you work for a company, it's gonna be installed already your computer, but for your personal purpose, if you want to install Jenkins in your computer, you can do it. So how you gonna do it? Go to Jenkins website, just type like Jenkins or download Jenkins, whatever. Then click on download, or if you just type like download Jenkins, the both gonna work. So it's gonna launch you this page. When you go in this page and then scroll down, there is two way you can click on download, and you can download it. And also the other way, if you just scroll it down and over here where it says like generic Java package .war file, you have to click on it. And the one thing, before you install the Java, before you install the Jenkins, you have to install the Java, and you have to set the variable path into your computer. Otherwise it's not gonna work Jenkins. So make sure you install the Java in your computer, and then you install Jenkins in your computer. I have already installed the Java. Now I'm gonna install Jenkins, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it easily. There are a lot of things you have to configure. So let's see. Click on .war file, and see over here is loading. It's downloading. Alright, so now click on show in folder. So over here it says like jenkins.war file is saved. So I'm gonna copy the path. That's the folder, and I'm gonna copy it and paste it to a notepad. Alright, that's the path of the Jenkins. Like that's where like Jenkins is installed. Now what I have to do, I have to see Jenkins is working or not, and how to configure the Jenkins. So go to your command prompt. So I have a command prompt here, but if you can go like Windows and click on run button, and you can click on like cmd. This command, this box will show up, and now you can type the destination folder where the Jenkins is located. So the thing I copied, I will paste it here. That's the Jenkins, that's the folder like download folder Jenkins is located. So I'm gonna copy it and then paste it here. It's not gonna paste like this, so you have to, before you have to do the paste, just type like cd and then space, and then you type paste and hit enter. So it's gonna go to your download folder. Otherwise it's still if you don't put like C directory, that's how you can also change the any directory. Suppose if it's not only like downloads, if you want to change to any other folder the same way, like just put like cd and then space, and then like give the location and then hit enter. So you can go from different one folder to another folder into your computer. So now I'm in download folder, so I'm gonna give the like command how the Jenkins load. So the command is, I have already saved in my computer. So I'm gonna open the file. I'm gonna delete this one. So I already opened it. Okay, click on open. So that's the code. You have to type it in your C command, java space -jar jenkins.war space hyphen http equal to 8080, or you can, if by default it's gonna be like you have to put like 8080, and suppose you have already installed like 8080 now and it is not working, and then you can put like 9090. This one also work. If 8080 doesn't work, then give it like 9090. So I'm gonna copy this code. You have to write down the code. I'm gonna post this code into the description. If you need it, you can copy it. So just paste it here. So see, java space hyphen jar space jenkins.war space hyphen http equal to 8080. Now hit enter. So it's gonna take a little bit time. So it's configuring. See over here, it is like beginning extracting from war file. So that means from my war file it's trying to grab the information, and it's gonna start working. Just wait like couple of minutes and see how it's work. Alright, so if I scroll it down, it says like address already in use. So I think Jenkins is already into my machine. So let's see it's work or not. Cross it out. Now what you have to do, go to your browser again and type localhost colon 8080, hit enter. Then you will see a page like this, and then what you have to do, the username and password. Username should be admin, and the password, where you gonna go, you have to copy the password from your C document. So to get the password, you have to go to your C drive. See over here, there is an arrow. You click on this, and after you click on this, it's gonna expand, and then you click on program file, which is ADX 86. If you 86 version like support. If it is 32, it's not gonna work. So if you, when you click on program file at 86, and then you will see a folder is called Jenkins. You expand this one, and when you expand this one, then you will see a folder is called secret. Then what you have to do, just click on secret. You don't have to expand this one. Click on secret. After you click on secret, then there will be a page like it says like initial admin password, and open, click on open with, and then open with notepad. See, and see, there's the password. You just have to copy the password. You copy the password and paste it to your password field. See how I go. First you have to go to your C, then program files at 86, then go to secret, then click on secret and click on initial admin password. Then you will get the password for Jenkins. and now you paste it here. That's the password. If you click on login, see, Jenkins is working, and now you can work on your Jenkins. Like if you click on manage Jenkins, then you can work on with this one. I hope you guys understand how you can install Jenkins into your computer. If you still find any problem, please leave a comment in the description box, and I'll try to answer your question. Thank you very much.